Hello and welcome to MSTV. I'm Neha Chauhan and today I'm here with Shivani, who is a filmmaker, photographer and a documentary maker and also a writer. Hello ma'am.
Hi. Nice.
How are you doing?
Good. Nice to be here.
Welcome ma'am. So my very first question to you that today is we are celebrating Digital Short Film Festival and you, as you can see, you watch the short films. So how are you feeling right now?
I think the talent that is coming over the years, I've been here before also, but over the years I think students are more like they watch a lot of YouTube these days, or I think that there's more exposure to filmmaking now. So the creative, the style, the technicalities, things were richer. People are like already so good in their craft. So they're not professionals, they're still students, but they're doing well. I mean, the production was very good.
Talking about filmmaking, as you just mentioned about the technologies, and we are moving forward to the AI, artificial intelligence, and we can say that we are depending on that. So do you think that will make changes in our filmmaking or in photography?
Definitely. I think a lot of the technical part, or the composition part, or the lighting, everything will be, I think, delegated to AI. It's only your creative imagination will be the subject or the story. That will, I think, remain with humans. Everything else will, I think, move to AI. But then, so what creativity? So the main creative brains will be us humans. I don't think AI can take over that. But yeah, I mean, that's part of life. I mean, AI is going to take over soon. I think so. So with films, of course, it's already taking over. Like you see, what's this? There's this AI animated pictures that are coming. Ghibli art, yeah. So everybody is doing that, and that's like so real, so close to real. So similarly, I think we're going to move photography-wise, film-wise, music production-wise. We're going to move to AI and delegate a lot of things to AI, but still, I mean, whatever productions I've seen today, I mean, I think congratulations, and I think the teachers are doing a great job, and students are, I think, like taking up the classes, or like soaking up the knowledge very well as well, because they've done a great job. I think it's world press freedom of press freedom is very important, and it should continue. And I think we have a fair amount of press freedom in our country, if I'm wrong. If I'm not wrong, but yeah, I mean, so I think I don't have much to say on that, but I think it's good that we're celebrating World Press Freedom Day. That's great.
And talking about photography, so any picture that is very, shareable, it has a story behind that is very inspirable, or maybe we can say shareable.
Which picture?
Of yours, means you are a photographer, so any picture that you wanted to tell about a story behind that through you capture that picture?
There are many, actually. There are stories behind many pictures that I've clicked. So over the years, it's been a long journey. So definitely the pictures that are from the rural areas of India, and because my work is mostly there. So there's a lot of different unique stories in rural India, because I'm a city person. For a city person, when we go into the rural areas, we find a lot of unique and interesting stories. But I can't pinpoint anyone because there's so many, and it's just an impromptu question. So yeah,
it's fine. Okay. So any last message you want to give to the viewers? Any tips?
Any tips to this is MSTV, right? Okay. So I think the students are doing a great job, but then obviously I can't keep saying that. They should, I think, use their time more constructively, and like I said inside, that use your energy, use your time well. And as a filmmaker, they're supposed to have all these unique, different, new experiences that I'm sure AFT is providing them that platform where they can have. They have classes. They're getting I think a wholesome kind of an environment where they're getting you have a great library that I saw earlier. So, and you have good teachers. So I think you getting a good platform. So best is to use this, because this time will not come back again. So always use your time well.
Thank you so much, ma'am.